So on your JAYCOMMAND mini system that you have on some of your units in the Jayco family has this small control pad, and to control the lightings you have several different ways. You have these redundancy buttons down here. Number 1 turns all your interior lights that are on the system on and off. Number 2 turns your exterior lights on and off. Number 3 will turn all lights on and off. And let me demonstrate. As you can see, we turned our main lights. Now as you notice, task-based lighting like underneath this cabinet right here will have to be turned off manually. Another way to control your lightings is the momentary switches up here. As you can see, I can turn the main switches lights on and off, but if you press and hold, you can also dim from that function. So if it integrates into the JAYCOMMAND smart system, you can press and hold, you bring it back up to the brightness that you want, and you can turn it off. Another way is to pair your phone or your device to your app. Once the app is paired, you just go into your home screen, you find lighting. As you can see, I can control all lighting on and off, or I can hit the arrow and I can go into the individually sections and grab the slider bar for the living room and just dim the lighting to where I want and then go back off. Just remember that once you dim a light and you turn it on and off, once you turn it back on, it's going to stay at the brightness that you had previously. So don't forget, if it seems a little dim, go back in, turn it back up. That's how you run your lighting on the JAYCOMMAND mini system.